Hello, aspiring car owners. Buying a car is a significant milestone, and securing the right car loan can make your journey smoother. This guide will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of car loans in India. It will empower you to make informed decisions. Get ready to turn your car ownership dream into a reality. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Let's hit the road to car ownership together. A car loan is a financial product designed to help you purchase your dream car without draining your savings. It's like a friendly agreement between you and a lender, usually a bank or financial institution. You borrow a specific amount of money and repay it in regular installments, called equated monthly installments, EMIs, over a predetermined period. Imagine wanting to buy a spacious SUV for your family trips, but your savings aren't quite enough yet. A car loan bridges the gap, allowing you to enjoy your new car while comfortably repaying the loan over time. This way, you can manage your finances effectively without compromising your dream. Before you apply for a car loan, it's crucial to understand the eligibility requirements. Lenders in India typically consider factors such as your age, income, credit score, and employment history. These factors help them assess your ability to repay the loan. Think of it like getting a driver's license. You need to meet certain criteria to demonstrate that you can handle the responsibility. Similarly, lenders want to ensure you're financially equipped to manage the loan repayment. Just like you need valid documents to drive, a car loan application requires certain documents. These documents help the lender verify your identity, address, income, and other financial details. Commonly required documents include identity proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, voter ID, passport, address proof, utility bills, bank statements, rental agreement, income proof, salary slips, income tax returns, ITR, bank statements, last 6 months statements, photographs, passport-size photographs. Having these documents ready beforehand can streamline your application process and make it hassle-free. Section 5. Application process, shifting gears towards your new car. The car loan application process is now easier than ever, with many lenders offering online platforms that simplify the entire procedure. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through 1. Research and compare. Start by exploring different lenders and their offerings. Explore different lenders and compare their interest rates, loan terms, and processing fees. This will help you find the best deal. 2. Choose your car. Select the car that best suits your needs and budget. Consider factors like fuel efficiency, maintenance costs, and resale value. 3. Fill out the application form. Make sure to complete the loan application form accurately with your personal, financial, and employment details. Gather all necessary documents such as identity proof, address proof, income proof, and employment details. 4. Submit documents. Provide the required documents to the lender for verification. This step is crucial for the approval process. 5. Verification and approval. The lender will verify your documents and assess your creditworthiness. They will check your credit score and financial history. Once approved, they will inform you about the loan amount sanctioned. This is an exciting step towards owning your new car. 6. Loan agreement and disbursement. Carefully review the loan agreement, including the terms and conditions, before signing. Make sure you understand all the clauses and repayment terms. After signing, the lender will disperse the loan amount to the car dealer. The funds will be transferred directly to the car dealership, making the purchase process seamless for you. Remember, it's crucial to read all terms and conditions carefully before signing any documents. This ensures there are no surprises later on. Section 6. Interest rates, the fuel that drives your loan. Interest rates are a crucial aspect of any car loan, and understanding them can make a significant difference in your financial planning. Interest rates play a vital role in your car loan. They are essentially the cost of borrowing money from a lender, and they can vary widely based on several factors. They determine the cost of borrowing money. A higher interest rate means you'll pay more over the life of the loan, while a lower rate can save you a substantial amount. Lenders consider various factors while determining interest rates, including the repo rate, which is the rate at which the Reserve Bank of India lends money to commercial banks. This rate influences the overall lending rates in the economy. Your credit score, where a higher credit score often results in lower interest rates. Maintaining a good credit score is essential for securing favorable loan terms. The loan amount and tenure, as larger loans and longer tenures may attract higher interest rates. It's important to balance the loan amount and repayment period to manage your finances effectively. And the type of car, since new cars generally have lower interest rates compared to used cars. This is because new cars are considered less risky by lenders. Imagine interest rates as the fuel cost for your car. Just as fuel efficiency impacts your travel expenses, interest rates affect your loan repayments. Lower interest rates mean lower EMIs, just like efficient fuel consumption saves you money on petrol or diesel. By understanding and managing interest rates, you can make your car loan more affordable and budget-friendly. Section 7. Loan tenure. Choosing the right road trip duration. Loan tenure refers to the period for which you take the loan. It can range from 1 to 7 years or more. Choosing the right loan tenure is essential as it impacts your monthly EMIs and the overall interest you pay. Think of loan tenure as planning a road trip. A shorter tenure means higher EMIs but lower overall interest paid, like a quick and efficient journey. A longer tenure means lower EMIs but higher overall interest, similar to a leisurely road trip with more fuel expenses. Section 8. Tips for a smooth application, navigating the loan process with ease. Here are some valuable tips to ensure a smooth and hassle-free car loan application process. Maintain a good credit score, as a healthy credit score increases your loan eligibility and helps you secure favorable interest rates. Regularly check your credit report for any discrepancies and resolve them promptly. Research and compare. Don't settle for the first loan offer you receive. Take your time to explore various options available in the market. Compare options from different lenders to find the best deal. Look for lenders who offer flexible terms and conditions that suit your financial situation. Read the fine print. Carefully review all terms and conditions, including interest rates, fees, and penalties, before signing the loan agreement. Understanding these details can save you from future surprises. Make a sizable down payment, as a larger down payment reduces the loan amount and EMIs, making it easier to manage your finances. This also shows lenders that you are financially responsible. Choose a loan tenure wisely. Consider your repayment capacity, and choose a loan tenure that aligns with your financial goals. A shorter tenure might mean higher EMIs, but it will save you money on interest in the long run. By following these tips, you can navigate the car loan process with confidence and ease. Remember, a well-informed decision today can lead to a stress-free ownership experience tomorrow. Section 9. Conclusion. Your dream car awaits. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to confidently apply for a car loan in India. Remember to research thoroughly, compare options, and choose a loan that suits your needs and budget. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful financial guidance. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends and family who are also planning to buy a car. Now, go ahead and make your dream car a reality.